My name is Inna Semenenko. I'm professor of Volodymyr Dal, East Ukrainian National University in Ukraine. This is the twice displaced university, and I'm also a twice displaced people. I had to move from my home in 2014. Then we moved to Severodonetsk, very close to the battle line. So right now I'm in Kyiv. It's the capital of Ukraine, and I'm staying here because the university stays here. Being a professor, I wanted to look at the course by Cornell University. I was able to pass two courses, public sector leadership and project management. I studied everywhere I had an opportunity, and very often I did that in the car, driving from Lviv to Kyiv. Seth Harris, who is a distinguished professor of practice, and his lectures were really inspiring and insightful and actually changed my life. I'm really involved in the recovery and reconstruction projects in Ukraine. At the moment, we are already implementing one of the projects to get water supply to the people. I use some of the approaches that professor of this course taught us managing the project, so it really helped me there. This is something which might be very valuable for the people who are staying in Ukraine and who will come back to Ukraine to work on the Ukraine's recovery and reconstruction. I really hope that the war will be over and we will continue the collaboration between the universities. It was my dream to pass any course from a well-known top university. I would like to thank Cornell University for this wonderful opportunity. My small dream came true.